Who's that? Who's that princess? What's the name of that princess?
Yeah.
What's the name of that princess? Oh, stand up, stand up.
Yeah.
Who did your makeup? Who did your makeup? It's your ate. So, you say hi to your fans in Charlotte Fabulous World.
Hello.
Yeah, she's wearing, and her ate did her. Oh, she's sleepy. Charlotte is so sleepy. Yeah. Wow, wow, this is really nice. Oh. Okay, bye.
Hi.
Bye, everyone. Oh, you turn around first. You turn around so that everybody will be inspired with your beautiful face. Wow. You look so pretty, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Oh, wow. Wait for a while. Can I see your face for a bit? Come on. Yeah. Because your makeup is very nice. And also your gown. Yeah. See, you look good. Yeah, you look good. Bye.
Bye.